Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Good morning. It's Cast Iron Wednesday. It's actually Monday, but I'm going to be continuing on with our biscuits and gravy monthly challenge and try to speak. Got some yogurt biscuits in the oven. I didn't record any of it because you guys are, and just refer back to the other video, which I'll link below. I got my little skillet out here, my camp skillet. I'm going to be cooking up some gravy in that, or a bacon. Then I'm going to try to make gravy from scratch using the bacon grease, which I've never done before. And I'm only using this little skillet because I'm only making enough for just me. So let's get the bacon going. Alright, let's see how much bacon I've got in here. Yeah, I want to try to make it last a couple days, so I'm going to go a few slices, so this will be 3. Like I said, I only cook for me, so there's really no need to make a whole ton of breakfast foods, because I'd probably just end up eating it too. So then I'd be all over full. Sweet. There we go. Alright, so I got my bacon going, and I've been saving my bacon grease in one of these salsa jars, so I have been saving it, and I strain it with I picked this up at an Asian market, and what I do is I just set it on top and pour it, if you can't see, and I just pour the grease through to collect any of the bits. And like I said, because I use salsa on my eggs, I just do that. We're still working pretty well, so there are no real bits in there. Bacon grease. Alright, so I got my bacon going. I just use a spoon and I just stir it around. Not that big a deal. And when I pull it off the stove, what I'm going to do is, I already mentioned this, but I'm just going to pour it into a metal pan so I don't have to worry about the heat. I'll just strain it through and put it back in, and then add the flour and then whip it up. And if I need to, I can add a spoonful of the chilled bacon grease. Then I'll get the milk out and go from there. Alright, let's pull these biscuits out. Oh yeah, I was going to run with that. Because last time they got a little too dark, so I did those, so 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Bacon's getting real close. Get my pan ready for eggs. Add butter in there. Probably gonna go with scrambled eggs. So I can put cheese on them. Ooh, that bacon's almost done. Sorry, I'm trying to step around the tripod. Oh yeah, it's done. Turn the heat down to medium. Okay. And where am I going to put it right there. Move the bacon out of the way. I dropped the heat down to medium. I'm going to add, I think, a little bit more bacon grease. Come on, melt. I guess I get a little chunks in there, but excuse me. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put in about a 1/4 cup flour, I think. Uh-oh. I don't think I have enough. It should actually be more like a paste than a flour mixture. But let's just run with it. Go ahead and pour the milk in. Just small amounts of milk, because I can always add more milk, which I'm going to have to. Probably easier to add milk than take it away, so. I did mention this is the first time I'm making gravy, right? Come on, everything's sticking in the whisk. I should have picked a bigger vessel. Okay, I can't really whip it good. Alright. We're going to do this. Yes, it's cheating, but see the taller sides. Does everything have to come flying out? Man. It might be okay on the thickness, because as it sits, it's kind of lumpy though. Damn it. Alright, so I moved to a bigger vessel because I'm trying to whip it. And let's give it a taste, see how it tastes. A little frustrating. I'm gonna have to get more. I'm gonna have to get a deeper pan. It tastes okay, but it's got like lumps of flour in it. Doesn't taste terrible though. Alright. Let's get my eggs going. There, I got my eggs going. I like pepper in mine. biscuits came out real good. And the bottoms aren't dark at all. So I'm a little disappointed in the gravy, but I mean, like I said, it doesn't taste bad. It's just it's got like chunks of flour in it. I don't think I could have whipped it as well as I normally would have. Well, you know, what are you gonna do? First time making it, so and then with the bacon bits on there. Just doing the scrambled eggs, so. These on the plate. Got the stove. I like cheese on my eggs. A little black pepper on my biscuits. Oh, I forgot something. Alright, no meal is complete. Oh, Texas beat in my eggs. Oh yeah. Alright, let's taste it. A little disappointed in the gravy, but it doesn't taste bad, just not as not as smooth as I'd like, but it still tastes good. I won't call it a total loss. Well, I'm gonna sit down and eat my breakfast, so I guess I didn't give you a good look. Well, alrighty. Clean plate. Didn't come out as smooth as I wanted, but you know, I still ate it. It was so good. Maybe I'm just being a little bit too picky on myself, so a little too critical, maybe. If you have any suggestions for better gravy in the future, you know, let me know in the comments. I'm thinking the vessel wasn't. I should have been whipping as I added the flour, or maybe even assisted it first. That might have been better. I don't know. But again, could just be me. So I got a few biscuits left over, which they came out, you know, they came out a lot better. So 400 for 20 minutes, and I want to eat those other 3, but I'm gonna save them for lunch, I think. I love biscuits. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Shovelhead 8's channel and also the playlist for Native Tears with all the cast iron cooking in it. And we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Have a great week.